Hello friends, we finally made it to this bakery visit.
Oh, look at the window with bread so bright and sweet.
The water smell is really
bakery's
nice
waiting
here.
right down on our street. Lupi hums a little tune. We are stepping forward with a smile
I watch
so
the
true.
quiet baker
Through the
mix the
wooden
soft
door,
dough.
we step into the glow. Warm and cozy air is ready to flow. Lupi takes a gentle breath.
My eyes follow the
Watching
gentle
flour
hands
dance around
shaping
in a
round
soft and
loaves.
steady step. Baker visit, rolling in
Love
the
seeing the
dough,
bread
singing
slowly
a
rise
cheery
inside.
little song as we go. Bakery visit,
I gently tap the warm bread
golden and
cream on the
sweet.
wrap.
Every crumb is shining with a sparkly treat. Round loaves are sitting on trays in a line,
This little
shaping them
fruit bar
gently
looks
with a
perfect
careful
for my
design.
snacker.
Lupi taps the counter twice, tap tap, watching through the glass with wide and wondering eyes.
I just wait patiently while the baker packs the bag.
Bakery visit, warming up the room, filling every corner with a gentle perfume.
Yeah, holding this wooden paper bag feels so good.
Bakery visit, bouncing on our toes, watching all the little bakers work and grow.
My steps feel light as we walk out the door.
Walking past the racks where golden loaves are bright, shining in the kitchen like a warm and gentle light.
I stroll
Lupi
along
points
the
of
sunny
fruit
path
buns
with our
in a
tasty
glass
treat.
display, nodding with a smile all through the day. Bakery visit, stepping in the cheer,
placing our
finding
fresh
every
bread on the
single
table is
treat that
nice.
makes us smile right here. Bakery visit,